This is my 2015 Infiniti Q70L. It's an amazing vehicle. However, if ever there was any complaint to be had about the vehicle, it's going to be this thing called the Axle Click. It's called a Nissan or Infiniti Axle Click, and it's a sound that you usually hear coming from the back of the vehicle, like metal or metal knock. It's more prevalent with the rear-wheel drive based vehicles, so the Gs, the Q50s, Q60s, the Ms, sometimes the Ms, the Q70s. So let's do this. Put this in any direction, put it in any gear that changes direction, and listen out to if you can hear this. Do you hear that? Let me lower the windows so hopefully you can hear it a little more dramatically. Okay, go. Yeah, there you go. That was loud. Park is not too bad, obviously. As I said, it's all about changing direction. But it's a minor annoyance, and at 115,800 miles, I'm not too inclined to do anything about it. Functionally, it still operates like it's supposed to. As I said, it's just a sound thing. And Infiniti issued, and even Nissan, they issued a TSB, that's a technical service bulletin, that lets technicians, dealership technicians, know what to do about it. And the service, if I remember correctly, involves removing the axle from the hub, pulling it out, re-greasing it, cleaning it, then re-greasing it in the right places. You don't grease the splines, for example, and then turning it, clocking it 180 degrees over where it was, and then putting it back in and torquing it down properly. I've done it on one of my vehicles myself, and on one side it went away, on the other side it did not seem to stop. And I've also tried it on a different vehicle where it just took it out and put it right back in and tightened it down. Varying levels of success, but I think for most people that go to the dealership, the service is usually successful. Things usually go well. It's, as I said, it's just something about the way these rear axles were designed in the rear-wheel drive based vehicles. For some reason, it's something that I've seen with the newer Infinitis and the newer Nissan, 370Z, for example. I've not really experienced it with older, like my 2008 Infiniti M45 does not do that. The 2006 I had, 2003 never did that. 2011 started doing that. I had a QX70 crossover, did that. The big SUV does not do that. The QX80 does not do that. But I just made this video to say that there is a slight annoyance if you ever hear that click, the metal clink. I know it can be unnerving if you don't know what it is, but it's not such a big deal. Just look up Axle Click, and I think there are some people that show you how to actually solve it as a DIY, on a do-it-yourself basis. So in case you're interested in doing that, I will title this video appropriately. Basically, it's going to be a discussion on it, but I do not want to give people the impression that I'm fixing the Axle Click in this video. All right, all the best. Catch you guys later.